Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best charger for the Itech Fusion 2 smartwatch, the compatible Itech Fusion 2 charger replacement USB charging cable by ECSEM. If you own an Itech Fusion 2 smartwatch and have been searching for a reliable replacement charging cable, this product is definitely worth your attention. Right off the bat, this charger cable is specifically designed to fit the Itech Fusion 2 smartwatch perfectly. It's important to note that it's not compatible with the Itech Fusion 3, so make sure you're getting the right fit for your device. The cable is 3.3 feet or 100 centimeters long, giving you plenty of room to comfortably charge your smartwatch whether you're at your desk, on the couch, or even in the car. One of the standout features of this charging cable is the built-in power protection technology, known as PTC. This feature ensures safe and efficient charging by protecting your smartwatch from overheating and overcurrent situations. You can easily plug it into a USB port on your laptop, desktop, wall charger, or car charger, making it a versatile option wherever you are. When it comes to build quality, this cable shines with its use of eco-friendly TPE and TPU materials, which makes it both flexible and durable. This means the cable resists tangling and is strong enough to withstand daily use without fraying or breaking easily. The metal connectors are designed to be sturdy and precise, so you get a solid connection every time you plug in. Another advantage is the lightweight and portable design of this cable. You can effortlessly carry it in your bag or pocket without it adding any bulk. The cable is engineered for high efficiency and fast charging with a low working temperature, helping extend both the life of your smartwatch's battery and the cable itself. From a practical standpoint, this charger is a simple yet essential accessory for anyone with the Itech Fusion 2. Whether you're replacing a lost or damaged cable or just want a spare to keep at work or in your car, this product covers all the bases. The compact design and reliable functionality make it a hassle-free solution to keep your smartwatch powered up. To sum it up, the compatible Itech Fusion 2 charger replacement USB charging cable offers a perfect fit, built-in safety features, premium materials, and portability. It's designed to meet the charging needs of your Itech Fusion 2 smartwatch efficiently and safely. If you're in the market for a dependable replacement charging cable, this product is one of the best choices available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on tech accessories that make your life easier. See you next time.